but we do have the adjustable camming bar. One thing that is different about the CERTUM3 is you notice there's slots here above the trigger guard for the camming bar. So the camming bar has a little bit of ride height adjustment, so to try and optimize as much surface contact with the belt as possible. There's not a lot of space here with the retention screws in, so if you have bigger hands, for most people it's going to be easier to actually remove the retention screws. So we'll go ahead and do that. And I would recommend, unless you know for sure you want more or less rotation, I would recommend starting out with the medium camming bar. So if I'm going to go with, we have 3 different heights. I have a small, a 1/4 inch, medium 3/8, and a large 1/2 inch. So if I'm going to go with the medium here, I'm going to start with the 1/4 inch post. I'm going to take one post and tuck it into one of the slots, and then the other post into the other slot. And I can hold those with my thumb in the back. I will then take my medium post and put it over the top. I can then use the 3/8 inch screw that comes with it. And I will start the one, then I'll get the other one, and start the other one. And I know that I generally prefer a little bit deeper ride in my belt line than lots of people, so I'll go ahead and push this to the top to start with.